Hello everyone, so today we're gonna explain what is an API and we will try a real example. We will get data from a market stock. So we're gonna get market data. So an API, it's when two computers want to talk to each other. So the client send a request to an API. Then API send a request to server. It gives the data to the clients. So this is what's an API. So let's try a real example. We will use the Marketstack API, so we can get the market stock data. And this website, this API, it's free for now. Like they have a free plan and they have a plan which is paid. So we will use just the free plan. So you will create an account here. Then we will go to documentation. So we need in any API we need to read the documentation so we kind of know how we will get data. So if we scroll down, we will see here the example of the API request that we're gonna test. Here we have the link of the API, and here we have two parameters. So first of all, the market question or the mark question, it tells us that we will start passing parameters. So parameters are key value. First of all, we have the parameter access key, which we're gonna get from this API. So we will get it from here, and we have symbols. This tells us which market stock we will get. So for example, here we will get the Apple market stock. So to get the API, just click on this link. After creating your account, then you will get the API key here. So this API key you don't need to share it with anyone. Me too, I'm not sharing it with you since I will use it after publishing this video. So after getting this API, let's try to test our API. So we will use two approaches to get data. We'll use Postman. So Postman, it's used just for testing API quickly. And also we will write code. So we will write in code with Python. It gives us better understanding how we get data, and also if we wanted to integrate it in our project. So let's start with Postman. So let's copy this link here, and also we're gonna copy the key. Which is our key. Then we will copy the symbol. So then we use get request. So since we want to get the data, and as you're gonna see here, we have the data. So let's try getting data using Python. So we import request. Then here we will copy the URL, like this URL. We will pass parameters in a dictionary. So this is the access key, not the API key. symbols. So after defining our parameters, we will create a response variable. We're gonna call the request library dot get URL, then params equal to. So if right now we will like write an if statement to test our API key. So we will write if response sorry res response dot static code equal to 200. That's mean the data it fetched correctly, successfully. Data equal response dot json print data, else print f error, and we're gonna write the response static code so we can know which error we have. So right now we need to test the code. So as you can see, we have the data here. So after getting the data, we can like manipulate this data, or we can integrate it in our own project. So that's what we have here. Thank you so much for your attention, and give me your feedback or any comments you have. Thank you.